Hey there! Today, we're going to show you how to allow pop-ups on Chrome. If you've been struggling with blocked pop-ups, you've come to the right place. Here are 2 simple ways to enable pop-ups on Chrome on your Windows PC. Stick around and we'll get you sorted in no time. Our first method involves adjusting the Chrome settings. Here's how you can do it. First, open Chrome browser. Now click on the 3 vertical dots on the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security at left pane. At right pane, click on Site Settings. Scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Toggle the switch to enable pop-ups. And that's it. You've successfully allowed pop-ups on Chrome using the Settings menu. If the first method didn't work for you, or if you want more control over which websites can show pop-ups, try the second method. First, open Chrome. Now click on the 3 vertical dots on the top right corner of your Chrome browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Click on Privacy and Security at left pane. At right pane, click on Site Settings. Scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. You can adjust the default behavior to allow for pop-ups, or if there's one site in particular you'd like to allow for pop-ups, you drop down to the Customize Behavior section. Click on Add. Enter the website URL that you want to allow pop-ups from. Click on Add. Now, pop-ups from the specified website will be allowed, giving you more control over your browsing experience. That wraps up our guide on how to allow pop-ups on Chrome. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Remember, enabling pop-ups can enhance your browsing experience, but make sure to exercise caution and only allow them from trusted sources. Thanks for watching.